In this review, we'll discuss everything you need to know about the Omron 10 series blood pressure monitor that you might want to consider if you're looking for a blood pressure monitor. First, let us talk about the features of the Omron 10 series for better understanding. The Omron 10 series is a blood pressure monitor that measures your pulse waveform and heart rate. The information it displays will help you determine if you're at risk for serious health problems like heart disease and stroke. It uses a unique technology called True Read to automatically take 3 consecutive readings in 1-minute intervals and calculate the blood pressure average. This monitor is equipped with IntelliSense technology, which automatically inflates the cuff when needed. This feature allows the user to take the blood pressure readings without manually inflating the cuff. The monitor also has an automatic deflation button that minimizes the air in the cuff each time you take a reading. The cuff is made of soft fabric and has a wide surface area to wrap around the arm. The Omron 10 series has a large display, easy to read blood pressure readings. The dual LCD monitor allows immediate comparison between readings. Side-by-side comparison display makes your readings easier to see. The Omron 10 series blood pressure monitor stores 200 BP readings in memory for 2 users, 100 per user. 2 people in the family can use the monitor to store the BP readings, up to 100 for each user. Guest mode is also there, which will not save guest BP result to mix with your data. The Omron Connect mobile app provides an easy way to synchronize your readings with your smartphone. The app allows you to view your readings in real time, upload them directly to your health record. The motion detection in Omron 10 series can detect body motion while taking blood pressure measurement and alert you about body motion with a simple indicator. This series can automatically detect your irregular heartbeat using an innovative algorithm. In this series, you can easily delete previous memory and reset the factory settings. How to delete memory and make factory settings? Click on the I button above and watch the last section of that video. What makes this monitor great is its accuracy and consistency. When reading your blood pressure, you can feel confident knowing that the BP results are accurate. Overall, we were impressed with the accuracy of this device and would recommend it to anyone interested in buying a home blood pressure monitor. If you're interested to buy this monitor, just click the link in the description and check the price. Please like and share this video with your friends. Please hit the red subscribe button if this is your first time on our channel. Making such videos need a lot of research and time. Hitting that red subscribe button will be much appreciated. We wish you good health